Hey everyone, this is Jacob, and today I went into the Apple Store to replace my iPod because it got dust in the screen. And that actually happens a lot with iPods and iPhones. Well, the first time they replaced it, I got it back, and the new one, which are actually just refurbished iPods, had dust in the screen. So they had to give me a new one from the factory, and it's fine. It doesn't have any dust in the screen. So if you do have dust in your screen, you can just go to the Apple Store and they'll replace it. Also, when I was in the Apple Store, they had the new iPhone 3GS, which allows you to take video with your iPhone, and you used to be able to only take pictures. So with this new iPhone, you can take video, and I'm going to give you a sample video to see what the quality is like. And have you been to an Apple Store recently? Because, they're updating their products all the time, and it's really neat what they have. So you should, if you have an Apple Store in your area, you should check it out and see what they have. Maybe you'll have to buy the iPhone. And thanks, this is Jacob for the Imagine Each blog.